Is your golf cart feeling a little slow? Whether you're cruising the course or zipping through your neighborhood, this step-by-step guide will show you how to make your golf cart go faster, safely, and effectively. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified whenever we post a video for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check your speed settings. If you've got an electric cart, start by checking if your cart has a speed chip or a speed code. But here's the secret. Models like Club Car and E-Z-GO often allow you to upgrade the speed via a code or a plug-in chip. This can raise your speed from 12 kilometers per hour to 18 kilometers per hour or more. If you're unsure, check your user manual or call your manufacturer. Some dealers will adjust your settings for free during service. Step 2. Upgrade the tires. Bigger tires mean more distance per rotation. Swapping out your stock tires for a larger diameter can give you a noticeable speed boost. A jump from standard 8-inch to 12-inch wheels can add 2 to 4 miles per hour just by increasing the circumference. But remember, bigger tires may require a lift kit for proper clearance. Also, make sure you choose low-resistance, street-style tires if you're mostly riding on pavement. Step 3. Improve the battery or motor. If you're running electric, your battery voltage plays a big role in speed. Upgrading from a 36-volt to a 48-volt or even 72-volt system, along with a compatible motor and controller, can dramatically increase speed and torque. Step 4. Reduce weight and drag. Remove unnecessary accessories or heavy items from your cart. Even small reductions in weight can help with acceleration and top speed. Also, keep the windshield folded down when you're not using it. That little bit of aerodynamic drag can make a difference. Step 5. Regular maintenance. Speed doesn't just come from upgrades. Clean and lubricate your cables, keep tires fully inflated, and check your brakes to make sure they're not dragging. A clean, efficient cart is a fast cart. There you have it. 5 simple steps to give your golf cart the speed upgrade you've been looking for. Don't forget to check your local regulations before making any modifications. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get notified when we post a new exciting video for you. Thanks for watching.